Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how to enable ultra dark liquid glass look on your device. Yes, this is one of the most popular questions that I get, whether it is for visibility purposes or perhaps to customize your device. I'm going to show you how to achieve this ultra dark liquid glass look for your iPhone, and it translates over to notifications, the lock screen shortcuts, the dock on your iPhone, the folders, the widgets, everything. So let me show you how to enable ultra dark liquid glass. All right, so let's go ahead and start here. So you see the notifications on the lock screen here. You see the elements. We also see the dock here, the folders and the widgets and things like that. Now the first option you want to change is from clear to tinted for liquid glass, and this one's going to be the obvious one. So you need to be running iOS 26.2 or later. Jump into settings, go under display and brightness here, go under liquid glass, and select the tinted option right here. You see right there, it changes the menus to a more darker tinted look there with the tinted glass. Now, let me show you how to achieve that for the dock, the folder, the notifications, and every other element within iOS. Again, therefore achieving that ultra dark liquid glass look that I typically use and you guys ask about. So you want to go into settings on your iPhone. Once you do that, then you want to head on over to accessibilities, go under the display and text size option, and the first option you want to enable is the show borders. This allows you to highlight any element such as the dock, the folder background, as well as the widgets and notifications and so forth. Now the second option you want to enable is reduce transparency. Now this obviously, as the name implies, will reduce the transparency even further for the folders, the widgets, also the dock here, and even notifications on the lock screen as you see right there. But there's one more option to just put it all the way up to the ultra dark, which is the increased contrast. If you enable increased contrast as well, we're now set and ready to go. So basically four options to enable there, three under accessibilities, one under display and brightness, which is going to be the tinted option. And it is simple as that to achieve that ultra dark liquid glass look for your iPhone running iOS 26.2 or later. Again, look at the elements here. The notifications are nice and clear. You still have some of that liquid glass. You also have borders shown here on the clock of the lock screen. And this translates through the widgets, also the folders when you launch folders and things like that. Everything looks a lot better in my opinion. So it is as simple as that. For those of you that were asking, how do I achieve this? Just simple four options you can change on your iPhone, enabling that ultra dark liquid glass look for your device. Again, rather is for visibility purposes or customizing your device. I think this looks a lot better than the standard liquid glass if you like this dark mode look. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to click that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.